Hello tea lovers, at India Food Network we are going to celebrate 31 days of chai. My name is Sadaf and I am going to teach you an amazing cool chai which is bubble tea, which is going to be flavored with mangoes. So first we'll take a bowl, pour in water and our Tapioca Pearls, and this is going to be the bubbles of bubble tea. Let the Tapioca Pearls sit. I'll take my jug in which I'm going to pour in green tea which I have brewed for 3 to 4 hours. It's also cold. In this green tea I'm going to pour in some soy milk, and as I said it's going to be mango, so I'm going to add some mango pulp. With this I'm going to give it a little mix, and to enhance the sweetness of my bubble tea I'm going to add a little bit of honey. Now I'm going to mix it again. My tapioca pearls are also soaked properly. ये फूल भी गए हैं अच्छे से. Side. Take out our glass. Tapioca pearls are nicely soaked. We'll take them out. Pour some in. All right. Tapioca pearl goes in. Now tea. I'm going to throw in some mint for the extra freshness and the flavor. So my mango bubble tea is ready. For more such amazing chai recipes, go to India Food Network and subscribe to the channel. And have this chai, share with others, share with your friends.